In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an organizational chart in Airtable. Organizational charts can be incredibly useful for illustrating the structure of your company or team, making it clear who reports to whom. Airtable, with its flexible and user-friendly interface, is a great tool for this purpose. Let's dive into the process and see how you can set up your own org chart efficiently. First, you'll want to open Airtable in your web browser. If you're not already familiar with Airtable, it's a powerful tool that allows you to create databases in a highly visual and customizable way. Once you're on the Airtable homepage, direct your attention to the bottom left of the site. You'll see a Create button. Click on it, and this will bring up options for what type of project you want to start. From the choices available, select Build an app on your own. This choice gives you the flexibility to set up your database according to your specific needs. You'll be presented with a blank slate to start building from. The first thing you'll notice is the first column on the left. Right-click this column. You'll see a menu pop up with several options. Select Edit Field from this menu. This action enables you to rename the field, which is crucial to organizing your information systematically. After naming your field, perhaps according to your first required data category, don't forget to click Save. With the first column set, you'll now move on to modifying your other columns based on your preferences. This could include adding columns for job titles, departments, or locations, whatever suits your organizational needs. Airtable allows for a vast amount of customization, so take advantage of this to make your chart as detailed as necessary. Next, it's important to link your employees to their respective managers within the table. This adds a relational aspect to your data and ensures that your org chart accurately reflects the hierarchy within your organization. By setting up these relationships, you can track who reports to whom easily. Once your employee-manager relationships are in place, creating a view specifically for the org chart is the next step. This will help you visually interpret the hierarchy within your organization, making it easier to understand and manage. Airtable provides different view options, so choose the one that best serves your purpose. Perhaps the grid view for simplicity or a gallery view for a more elaborate presentation. Finally, when your chart is ready and you're satisfied with how everything looks, click on the Share button to distribute your org chart. This allows others in your organization or team to access the chart, ensuring everyone is on the same page regarding structure and reporting lines. And just like that, in a few simple and straightforward steps, you've created an organizational chart in Airtable that's ready to be used and shared. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful to you.